So I wanted to take this moment, and what you are looking at is the before and the after. What am I using? I am using my Super-Degreaser, all-time favorite, diluted down. Officially it's 5-to-1. So you can see the difference between after I've cleaned versus before. Boat is a 09, I think he said. It's like 12 to 14 years old. It's in great shape, and it's very common. I will get up to a boat and I will look at it from a distance and I'll say, oh yeah, very typical, it looks pretty clean. But then I test a spot with my Super-Degreaser, and this is what reveals. And it's very revealing and eye-opening to most boat owners, because they're like, whoa, because they're looking at this. This is their frame of reference, is that this. And then I show them this, and it's just like, oh wow. So he's been using a Meguiar's product on this vinyl. And what is so common, whether leather or vinyl, is that people use these products that are retail products. They've been dumbed down to make them ultra safe, but they are not very effective on anything that is actually dirty. Like this is years of dirt. So dirt settles on the material or the surface. People sit on it, they rub it in, he wipes it with his quote-unquote cleaner conditioner, and what he's really doing is just wiping the dirt further and further into the grooves and crevices and fingerprint texture of this material. And as it accumulates over time, and he does it over and over and over, you have this rather significant buildup. As a boat owner, this is good. At least he's keeping up, and for a boat of this age, it's pretty impressive. If you look, this thing is in really good shape overall. I suppose I could demo it for you, even though I've done it in many videos. Between my scrub brush here, my non-abrasive synthetic scrub pad, it's just a case by case. So you can see right there with just one pass, a quick spray, a quick scrub, and I have it about, I would call it probably 97%. I'm going to go over this again, because if I look, there's still dirt remaining here. So between 3 tools, my very used magic eraser, my non-abrasive scrub pad, synthetic, and my winning combination of stiffness scrub brush and my microfibers, that's my tools. This is my product, Meguiar Super-Degreaser. Test in an inconspicuous, which basically means a hidden area. First, check your results. The results are indicating that you're headed in a good direction, then you continue. If your results are indicating anything else, then you pull back and come up with a new strategy. It's that basic. Okay, we have completion. I wish I'd taken some before, other than the front of this boat, because it was dirty. Now it's clean, and I think it was like a 2.5 hour job just on the interior alone. But so now we have completion. Another day in the life. Until next time.